Are you ready to experience Italy like never before? From the art of Florence to the canals of Venice, Italy's best spots are calling your name. Let's dive into the 10 best places to visit in Italy, and trust me, you'll want to add them to your travel bucket list. Naples. Naples, located on the stunning Bay of Naples, is a vibrant city filled with history and life. It's Italy's third largest city and is famous for being the birthplace of pizza. In addition to delicious food, Naples has a rich cultural heritage with landmarks like the Royal Palace and the historic Spaccanapoli Street that cuts through the heart of the old town. The city also serves as a base for exploring the nearby Pompeii ruins, the Amalfi Coast, and the incredible island of Capri. If you're a food lover, history buff, or looking for a lively city experience, Naples won't disappoint. Naples' atmosphere is electric, with markets bustling, street vendors selling traditional pizza, and tourists flocking to explore its art and culture. Don't forget to try the original pizza margherita, believed to be invented here, and head up Mount Vesuvius for panoramic views of the city and the bay below. Italian Lake District. The Italian Lake District is one of the most picturesque regions. In Europe, nestled between the Alps and the Po Valley, the lakes are surrounded by lush landscapes, charming towns, and old villas. Lake Como, the most famous, is known for its luxurious ambience and stunning natural beauty. You'll find ancient villages dotting its shores, including Bellagio, often called the Pearl of the Lake. Lake Garda is another favorite, with its Mediterranean climate and activities ranging from windsurfing to hiking on the nearby mountains. Each lake offers its own unique beauty. Lake Maggiore is quieter and less touristy, but equally stunning with its charming islands and grand gardens. Whether you want a relaxing day by the water, a hike in the mountains, or a visit to a historic villa, this region offers a little something for everyone. Sicily. Sicily is more than just a beautiful island. It's a place full of history, culture, and natural wonders. With its strategic location in the Mediterranean, Sicily has been influenced by a variety of cultures, from the ancient Greeks to the Arabs, leaving behind an impressive array of temples, palaces, and churches. The Valley of the Temples in Agri, with its ancient Greek ruins, and Palermo, with its vibrant street markets and historic churches, are must-sees. Of course, Sicily's crown jewel is Mount Etna, Europe's highest active volcano. The landscape is dotted with vineyards, ancient ruins, and beaches, making it a diverse and captivating destination. If you're after history, nature, or stunning coastal views, Sicily is the place to be. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, meaning five lands, is one of Italy's most charming and colorful coastal regions. Located along the Ligurian coast, it consists of 5 small fishing villages: Rio, Maggiore, Manerola, Vernazza, Monterosso, and Cornigliece, with its own distinct character. The colorful houses perched on cliffs, vineyards cascading down hillsides, and sparkling blue waters make this place feel like something out of a dream. The Blue Trail, a famous hiking path that links all 5 villages, offers stunning views and is a great way to explore the area. You can also take a boat ride along the coast to see the villages from the sea. Cinque Terre's beauty is truly unparalleled, and it's perfect for those who want to enjoy both nature and Italian culture in one place. Milan. Milan may be Italy's fashion capital, but it's also rich in history and culture. The city is a bustling hub of art, design, and innovation, famous for its high-end shopping districts. Milan is home to some of the world's most prestigious fashion houses and is the perfect place for anyone looking to shop till they drop. But Milan isn't just about shopping. It's also home to Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper, a masterpiece housed in the convent of Santa Maria del Grazie, and the stunning Gothic-style Duomo Cathedral. Milan's modern vibe contrasts beautifully with its historical landmarks, making it a city that has something for everyone. The canals of Navigli offer a charming atmosphere for a leisurely dinner, while the stylish Brera district is known for its art galleries, boutiques, and charming cafes. Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast, known for its breathtaking beauty, is one of the most scenic stretches of coastline in Europe. Situated in southern Italy, this region offers dramatic cliffs, sparkling waters, and picturesque villages such as Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. The colorful buildings perched on the edge of steep hills make the towns feel like something out of a postcard. One of the best ways to explore the Amalfi Coast is by driving along the winding roads that hug the cliffs, offering panoramic views of the Mediterranean. You can also enjoy hiking along the Sentiero degli Dei Path of the Gods, or simply relax at one of the many beaches or luxury resorts scattered along the coast. Pompeii. Pompeii is a must-visit for history lovers. This ancient Roman city was buried under volcanic ash when Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD. The ruins have been preserved remarkably well, giving visitors a glimpse into daily life in ancient Rome. You can walk through the city's streets, visiting the baths, temples, and homes that once belonged to the wealthy elite. What makes Pompeii so fascinating is how well preserved it is. You can even see the remains of people who perished in the eruption, frozen in time as they tried to escape the ash. It's an incredibly moving and thought-provoking experience. Venice. Venice is the perfect destination for romantics, with its winding canals, historic bridges, and ancient palaces. The city is built on a series of islands, making it one of the most unique places in the world. The Grand Canal, lined with gondolas and colorful buildings, is iconic, and the narrow alleyways offer endless surprises, from quaint cafes to hidden boutiques. A gondola ride is a quintessential Venice experience, but don't miss out on exploring St. Mark's Square, the Rialto Bridge, and the Doge's Palace. Venice is truly magical, especially at sunset when the light casts a golden glow over the city's canals. Tuscany. Tuscany is known for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming medieval towns, making it one of Italy's most famous regions. It's the perfect place to explore on a road trip, stopping at picturesque towns like Florence, Siena, and San Gimignano. Florence is home to some of the world's greatest art treasures, including works by Michelangelo, Botticelli, and Leonardo da Vinci. The city's museums, including the Uffizi Gallery and the Accademia. Our world-renowned Tuscany's countryside is dotted with vineyards, making it a top destination for wine lovers. A wine tasting tour in the Chianti region is a must. Tuscany offers a perfect blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Rome, the eternal city, is where history comes alive. Once the center of the Roman Empire, it is now a vibrant, bustling city filled with ancient ruins, beautiful churches, and lively piazzas. The Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Pantheon are just a few of the iconic landmarks you'll find here. Each corner of the city has a story to tell, from the medieval streets of Trastevere to the Grand St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City. Don't miss a visit to the Vatican Museums, home to the Sistine Chapel or the Trevi Fountain, where you can make a wish. Rome is a place that invites you to explore its past while embracing the energy of its modern life. From the ancient ruins of Pompeii to the romantic canals of Venice, Italy has something for every type of traveler. Whether you're drawn to history, art, food, or nature, Italy offers an unforgettable adventure. So, which of these incredible destinations would you visit first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy exploring!